Hello everyone, so in this video we are going to start learning our sentence transformers implementation in Python. So let's get started. So we'll say pip install sentence transformers. So sentence transformers, transformer, okay, transformers, and then we are going to hit -q so that it is in the quiet mode. The download happens in the quiet mode. After that we are going to say from sentence underscore transformers, we need to import certain things. So first of all, obviously sentence transformer, this is going to help us to create the instance. After that we also need util, which will be helping us in order to do the cosine similarity. Okay, so this is the second line that we want. After that we also have to instantiate the model, as I said. So I'm going to say sentence transformer. Okay, so we'll have sentence transformer, and then inside of this we are going to sentence transformer, I think this is correct, and inside of this we have to pass in the model. So this is paraphrase, paraphrase dash mini dash, I think mini lm dash l6 dash v2. Okay, so I'm sure this can change, but this is the model that we are using right now. Okay, after that we need to have our sentences. Okay, so I'm going to have 3 sentences over here. You can have as many as you want. Okay, so the first one is London is the capital of UK. Okay, we'll start with this one. The second sentence is pizza originated in Italy. Okay, and so as you can see, this takes some time, not an issue. We'll continue with our coding part. Okay, lastly, the famous sentence of the quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. Okay, now why this sentence is famous, if anybody knows, please write it in the comment section. Okay, so once these sentences are done, what we are going to do is we are going to find the embeddings. Okay, so embeddings is equals to model.encode. After that we are just going to pass in the sentences. Okay, so this is what we need to do. After this, what we have to do is we need to have our, okay, let's first visualize our sentence and their embeddings. Okay, so embedding, for in embedding, then let's zip the, okay, there is some error. What is that? Sentence transformer. Okay, got it. Sentence transformer. Now this is going to download the model. Hopefully, paraphrase, the spelling is wrong. Okay, paraphrase. Hopefully now it should work. Yes, it has started working. Okay, so here what I'm going to print out is, I'm going to print out, okay, it seems like there is some more. No, so these are our sentences and these are our embeddings that has been already found. So let me just print out the sentences. So we'll zip the sentences and the embeddings. Okay, once that is done, we'll print the sentence first. So I'm just going to print the sentence and colon sentence. After that, let's also print the embedding. I don't know how output friendly it is going to be. Okay, embedding, embedding, and let me just go ahead and print the embedding. Okay, let's also give one extra line over here so that it doesn't become a problem. Okay, as I said, it's going to be a huge output, but if you can see, the sentence. This is the sentence. I'm sorry, this is the sentence that we needed, and this is the embedding for that particular sentence. Okay, now let's not print the embedding because this is a big output. Just print the shape. So you can see the shape is 384, which means each and every embedding is of the shape 384 comma nothing. After this, what we have to do is we need a new sentence, which is the test embed sentence. So I'm just going to say test embed. This is going to be the embedding. So I'm going to say model.encode, just as how we did for those sentences, and I'm going to print the I'm going to write the sentence over here. And obviously we are going to use one particular sentence, and the let's say brown fox and lazy dog. swap these two, the lazy dog and the brown fox, okay, and are there. Let's just put it like this. Okay, so this is our test embedding. Now we just need to do one thing. We are going to say util dot cos and then sim. Now the first sentence has the embeddings 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 of 0. This is the first sentence embedding, and our embedding is test embed, which is over here. Let's see what is the similarity that we get. It is 0.03, which is less. Okay, for the second sentence, which is at index 1, okay, let me just go ahead and print here index 1, and it is minus 0.05. So obviously you know that embeddings can the cosine similarity can range from -1 to +1. +1 means very high correlation, very similar, and -1 which means very dissimilar. Okay, then we have 2 over here. Hopefully this should give us, yes, it's going to give you 77%. Here is minus 0. Not percent, minus 0.05. Here is 0.03, and here it is 77, which is very, very high. Okay, 0.77. So I hope you understood. This was our video. The code will be there in the description. Thank you very much, and bye.